Welcome to Mishna study Masachat Sheviit Perek Zayin Mishnah He. In this Mishnah, we're going to discuss a few different types of branches / fruits. Do people eat these? Do they not eat them? Right? We're going to need to decide if these items are Sheviit or not Sheviit. So we're going to start with these different types of flowering branches. We call them lulavim. Right? Lulav literally means, according to Rambam at least, it means a branch that started to bud, to flower. People would sometimes take these and they would you could even pickle them. They're soft enough where they were edible. And when I picture it, I picture like a hearts of palm type of thing, right? Where it's you can pickle it, you could eat it, it's edible, and therefore, if they're edible, they're going to have the laws of Sheviit apply to them. So what are these? Luleve zeradim ve'haruvim. Right, so luleve zeradim is the lulav, as we said, it's an anaf milablev, right? So it's like a branch that started to blossom, to flower, of the ziradim, right? This is ziradim are similar to what you would prune in a in a vineyard. So that's the one on the left, and sometimes people would actually go ahead and pickle them and eat them. And similarly, if you have the haruvin or a carob, so if you look on the picture on the right, that's a flowering branch of a carob tree. So if you have both of those, yesh lahem sheviit, these laws of Sheviit apply because they are edible, and if you redeem them, the money has the Kiddusha of Sheviit. Yesh lahem bi'ur. Once the time of bi'ur comes, where you need to get rid of them from the field, then you also have to get rid of them from your home. You have to, really either consume them or do away with them. Leave mehem bi'ur, and also the money that you redeemed it onto also bi'ur, you have to get rid of it. That's the first case. Those two. Now luleveh ha'elah. But if you have lulavim of the elah, right? Elah is a type of tree. It's a terebinth tree, if you want to look that up. Botna Rambam explains as fustuk, right? Pistachios, right? As opposed to, and he actually uses the pasu, he actually in plural, it's called botnim, right? So botnim in modern day Hebrew is usually translated as peanuts. Over here, Rambam is calling them pistachios. Right, interesting. Atadim is a type of atad, is a thorny bush. Right, they have these little black, gargarim, the types of seeds. They're similar to peas. Right, so all these items that you could go ahead and eat. Yesh lahem sheviit v'lid mehem sheviit. Right, they have the laws of Sheviit apply to them. But en lahem bi'ur v'lo lid mehem bi'ur. But you don't have to get rid of them from the field. Why? Because as we said, they are over here. These items are mitkayim ba'aretz, right? They'll always be around in the field, and because they're always around, then you don't have to get rid of them from your house. But to the leaves themselves, they have bi'ur because they fall off the tree from their father, meaning from the tree themselves, from which they grew. So because they fall off the tree, then at the moment that they fall off the tree, at that time frame, that's when you have to do bi'ur. You have to get rid of those leaves as well, because they're no longer mitkayim ba'aretz, they're no longer lasting in the field, so you need to get rid of them at that time.